Hello guys, want to create realistic handmade digital art but zero drawing skill? Forgot it. Now you can turn your special memory into shooting art and gift them to your loved one. It is the perfect heartful and gift because you made it yourself. Gift it a truly person touch. All you need to do is watch this video and use our Photoshop Action and photo template. um, no skill needed, just pure creativity in 2 minutes. Let's dive in. Okay, this is the mock-up and original photography. So now go, this is my download file, and you can find help file. You can check out the help file, some how to use and some of information include. This is the PSD, and this is effect for fine art style, and this is the smart painting digital painting solution effect. So you can use directly PSD template like this. Open PSD template, double click, and it's open your Photoshop. This is the template. Just wait and see. First I show the template use, then show the action and template both use. So there is the all layer separate. Just double click this option, photo replace, and there is the masking guideline. Don't worry about it, just the guideline. This is the sample, and now you can open your photography. Just 2 minutes needed, complete solution. Wait and see. I use this time this photography. You can use a background or you can remove photography, both too, and click on the all selection, and just rectangular market tool and all, and copy and paste there photography, and see the photography is less, so is not high resolution. But this problem solution we have done it. If your photography is low resolution, you can must be use our script upscale your photography. So transform for make it bigger now. Okay, the head position, see the head position, and the last position is this one. So still we have need some space, and the side position now. Okay, and show transform off, and now just save button. Now we save our main template. Our main template, some default effect is include, but if your photography low resolution, then digital painting solution needed. So you can use our Photoshop Action. So this is the template, and see the quality. I show you the quality, 100% realistic and original your photography. Do not change it. AI change your photography. Do not replace everything is the same. But our script, our template is, this is your photography and our setup. Okay, and there is the color adjustment. You can color combine, everything is possible, and you can change color. So I show you, just wait and see. If your photography is a low size, how to make the big size. So go window and action option, click now action option, show the right or left side, and more option for load action. This action is our main file include, and find out there the zip file, unzip file, main folder, and select this and load button, click. Now it's loaded. This is the up and down option, the last one, smart painting, and this is the all in on play action, play me, hit the play button. It's automatically upscale your photo, and targeting our size, and realistic digital painting solution. Just wait and see. There is one step needed. If sometime some photography not perfect shading, lighting, so you can adjust everything. Just wait and see for perfect result. Okay, this is the information for our supporting information and some info. So this is the result. See the quality, the art, the combined. Now the top position where these are black, this is black, this is the extra tutorial, black because of you can match there, and select the brush tool and general brush section and brush the area. Top color is black, then brush the area. See, not this time black not working, white working, sometime is on reverse. So just brush normal way, and also the lips area and the nose area I think I need. And okay, you just need this sometime, and you can check out, change the effect style. You can use another style. All are not same quality and same style, little match but not same. 100% sure not are same. This is the regular, just a little effect added, and this one is the boldest, and the sharpish, and this one is the wall effect, most of the looking. So if you think you use this one, and okay, so now right button click and the fit in option. Okay, all are fit in, and now you can again rectangular and select and copy and go and delete our old like regular photography and paste there. Control B for paste. Okay, now see, okay, and file and save. So file is saved. Now I check my template and see now pixel perfect and everything is perfect. Now everything is perfect. See, you can make transparent PNG very easily. I show you now I show the extra tricks and tips. You can uncheck this one and this one. See, transparent PNG now, and you can export this transparent PNG for sublimation print, any type of sublimation print. Also you can save the transparent PSD file, save as PSD transparent. Okay, just save. But this time you can change the background color. I have used default some, but you can change, double click this option, and any of them if needed you can change. But I like to white now, and I show you the extra tricks there. The option, the adjustment. See, there is the one adjustment I have attached, and engineer effect little added, so you can check out this. See, now it's added, and this is the paper option and watercolor option. If you don't like, you can uncheck paper and just uncheck the layer. Okay, but I have used, and this is the color, and double click this option. You can use any of color or change the color. Just click there and change the color. See, and OK button click, color is changed side by side, or whole color change needed, you just click the color gradient and OK button click. Okay, and this is another one, the multicolor option. Okay, and this is the color adjust. Now your photography is a real color tone, but I have used the adjust for default for lighting, shading, grading purpose. This is the another exclusive black and white. Is great combination, the unique and premium quality black and white. This is not the just only black and white, because there is the setup, hidden formula, our own resource. And another one, I just hide this one. See, the another looking great color combination, and another one. See, and this is the extra color. If you use this one, and use the extra color is more light. See, uncheck this one and soft brush on. The same way you can use another one, and then the colorful is colorful. Just uncheck. Okay, and now this is the border in outside area. See, total outside area, and check out our template size is 4800 pixel, is a large size, and 300 dpi. Okay, all are HD quality. You can make it the size bigger, but quality is same, because our template all materials are HD. So this is the looking and very nice combination. If you have another photography, click and delete and hide it, and want to transparent PNG want to use this one. This time I have used Ctrl A copy and Ctrl B paste. Image is low size, so I have deleted and deselection, and I have hit the play button. Our script is on and it's start working. Upscaling purpose I have make this play this script, so it's working. In this time I will show you something. This is our profile, our store in Creative Market MRI Studio. You can download our product now. Discount is available. Our all product is there, and you can visit our Creative Fabrica shop MRI Studio, and our product is discount available there. And if you want the license QC product, this is the check by Graphics River team member. Our all product is available there. You can download there. And if you want the asset download, like graphical product download, visit our free pick profile, and there is the single product available. All graphical product and photo template, everything is include our this profile. And want to more creative, so visit our Adobe Stock profile. This is the our all research we publish Adobe Stock. So you can find out their unique resource, copyright free resource. If you want the unique product, so visit our profile. All marketplace marketplace link, download link, or visit link include my video description. You can check my video description. So this is the finishing, and see the quality our script. I just show you the every details. Now it's already high resolution. Make that digital painting, then make the digital painting solution. This script, see the quality. If your photography is best, then our photography make it, our script make it to best. So, and there is the option you can view another effect looking, another effect, another looking, and another. See the quality. But I think this time I need this, and eye looking purpose I have select this one and just brush. See, now you can understand perfectly, I think. See the realistic looking now. Great. Just little needed the real look. Okay, done. Now I have used the merge. Okay, and remove the outside outside background. So if you want the transparent background, use our template. Just select subject button, click. Now is auto selection. Wait and see. Now selection and marks, and you can move. Just your mouse drag and drop, move and place the position. Now is transparent PNG, and just save button. Sorry, save button. Now it's saving your main template. So now check out, and this is the result. See, is too good and awesome quality. Just show the large size. Just feel. You can decorate your home and give to your friend or family or any person. See the grid. Actually, what is work the template and our script. If the size of your photo is low quality, our script will resize your photo to fit our template, upscale it to keep it as a pixel perfect possible, and provide digital printing solution, smart printing, Photoshop Action, and get amazing fine art style using our photo plate. Okay. If you want to download the all visit my link, check out the description, all link are included. See, the quality is great. I like this effect. It's too good and awesome quality. The color combination. Now I use this color and I already use this one. See, the glamour and the rainbow style color is grading now. It's great. So thanks for watching this video. Still, if you need any kind of help, you can send a message, my WhatsApp number, my Facebook fan page, or email me. But we prefer our WhatsApp number for replay first.